tourism business with Spanish, African, French, and American countries has been strengthened as a result of the 2018 staging of the Jamaica Product Exchange, JAPEX. Approximately 69 companies and 97 delegates from across the world, including Colombia, Mexico, Argentina, Spain, France, Nigeria, and the United States of America, were in on the action, September 23 to 25. The Jamaica Product Exchange is an annual event hosted by the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association (JHTA) in partnership with the state-owned Jamaica Tourist Board. For 28 years, JAPEX has been successfully bringing together the suppliers of Jamaica's tourism product with global buyers in the industry. And this year, the number of participants blossomed. The over 91 suppliers negotiated with some 97 buyers. Also included at the trade were travel agents, snatching bookings for winter 2018 and beyond.
You do come from diverse areas to help us to drive the development of this great product that we have here and to bring to the market the presence of this wonderful destination.
Each day, the meetings ended with an opportunity to unwind.
I feel good when you wrapped up in my arms. Dancing to a reggae song, it feels good, feels good.
The mornings, however, were very business-centered, with great minds collaborating and networking inside the Montego Bay Convention Centre in St. James. In the midst of the business deals were workshops. They addressed critical topics such as marketing small properties, interior decorating, energy efficiency, and revenue management. The country's tourism linkages network was also represented at the JAPEX Expo. The network sought to deepen the connection between tourism and other key sectors such as manufacturing, agriculture, and entertainment, particularly so with the international market. JAPEX 2018 provided the perfect platform for local suppliers, especially the smaller tourism stakeholders, to get much-needed exposure in the marketplace. JAPEX 2018. The private and public sectors partnering for the development of the tourism industry.